Budapest, the heart of Hungary, stands proudly along the majestic Danube River, where history, culture, and modern life blend into one powerful story. Formed in 1873, from Budapest and Buda, the city became a jewel of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, reflecting centuries of imperial influence. Its grand architecture, from the Parliament building to Buda Castle and Fisherman's Bastion, shows a blend of Gothic, Baroque, and Art Nouveau styles that define its skyline. The people of Budapest are known for their resilience, creativity, and deep pride in national identity. Hungarian traditions remain strong, seen in folk music, thermal bath culture, festivals, and rich cuisine like goulash and chimney cake. Education plays a central role, with historic universities producing scientists, artists, and innovators who shaped Europe's intellectual life. Throughout history, Budapest endured wars, occupations, and political shifts, from monarchy to communism to modern democracy. Each era left marks on its streets and spirit. Today, the city continues to grow through urban development, smart infrastructure, and cultural revival projects. Politically, Budapest remains the center of Hungary's governance, shaping national policy and regional influence. Its past, as an imperial capital, still echoes in its grand avenues and institutions. Budapest, the capital of Hungary, lies at the heart of Europe, divided by the mighty Danube River into the historic hills of Buda and the lively plains of Pest. This unique geography shaped the city into a strategic fortress, trade center, and cultural crossroads connecting east and west. With a continental climate of warm summers and cold winters, Budapest experiences striking seasonal beauty that enhances its classic European character. Throughout history, the city endured major wars and occupations, from Ottoman rule to Habsburg dominance, from World War devastation to Cold War control. These struggles forged a resilient spirit and left behind grand bridges, boulevards, and monumental architecture that still define the skyline. Budapest is also the birthplace and home of remarkable figures who shaped global culture and science. Composer Ferenc Liszt elevated classical music, while Béla Bartók preserved folk traditions. Scientist John von Neumann revolutionized modern computing, and inventor Erno Rubik inspired generations. Writer Imre Kertész gave voice to Hungary's historical memory. Economically, Budapest leads Hungary in finance, tourism, technology, and creative industries. Ongoing development improves transport, housing, and sustainability. As a proud European capital, the city blends classical heritage with innovation.